Hey everyone, is Excalidraw not saving your drawings? Losing your work can be frustrating, whether your drawing isn't saving locally, exports are failing, or your browser isn't keeping your changes. In this full guide, I'll show you the most effective ways to fix Excalidraw saving issues in 2026, so let's get started. First, remember that Excalidraw automatically stores your work in your browser's local storage while you're editing. If browser storage is disabled, full, or regularly cleared, your drawings may not remain available after you close the browser. Next, don't rely only on automatic browser storage. Open the menu and save your project as an editable Excalidraw file so you always have a manual backup that can be reopened later. If you're having trouble exporting, open the Export menu and try saving your drawing as a PNG or SVG file. If exporting also fails, the issue may be related to your browser or a browser extension rather than Excalidraw itself. Some browser extensions, especially privacy tools or aggressive content blockers, can interfere with browser storage or downloads. Temporarily disable your extensions or open Excalidraw in an incognito or private browsing window to test whether the issue disappears. If the problem continues, update your browser to the latest version or try another supported browser, such as Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. Browser compatibility issues can sometimes affect local storage and file downloads. Finally, develop a habit of saving your project regularly. Keep an editable Excalidraw file along with exported PNG or SVG copies, especially before clearing browser data or switching devices. And that's how to fix Excalidraw saving issues in 2026. In most cases, saving an editable backup, checking browser storage, disabling conflicting extensions, and keeping your browser updated will prevent data loss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.